Introducing the 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.